Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by uploading the Xlsx into Google Drive. This is the required first step. Sign into the Google account you'll use, then open Drive and choose New File Upload. Select the exact Xlsx file and watch the upload status in the corner. Do not proceed until it finishes. Once uploaded, the file sits in Drive as an Excel file. This preserves the original. You do this first so Google Sheets can convert the file without altering your source document. Right after upload, right-click that Excel file and pick Open With, then Google Sheets. This triggers Google's conversion engine. Accept the conversion so the spreadsheet becomes editable in Sheets. Conversion is important because it translates Excel formulas and formatting into Sheets equivalents. Some functions change. Make sure to scan dates, number formats, and any complex formulas. If you see errors, note which cells changed. Once done, you'll be working inside a Google Sheets copy, ready for correction and sharing. Finish by confirming the converted file is saved as a Google Sheet. This is automatic, but verify file shows the new format. Now set sharing permissions so collaborators can view or edit. If you need the original Excel back, use File Download Microsoft Excel. If something goes wrong, like wrong dates, misparsed decimals, or broken formulas, change the spreadsheet locale and check decimal separators first. This often fixes date and number mismatches. If issues persist, inspect specific income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.